Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe to it. Today we are talking about KPIs in digital marketing. So what are these key performance indicators? Well, remember when we were in school, we used to get A, B and C in our report card? Well, those A, B and C were type of KPIs for our parents. Our parents used to see our performances based on those KPIs, and we ourselves also get to know that where we need to focus because of those KPIs. So now you understand that what are KPIs. Let's dig into KPIs in digital marketing. I have listed down some of the most famous KPIs in the digital marketing, and I'll make sure that you get these documents in the description below. And also there are a few more videos in the description which you might want to watch about KPIs. So what is ROAS? ROAS is a measurement of how much money you generate for every dollar you spend on advertisement. How do you calculate ROAS is really simple. You can calculate ROAS by dividing revenue with ad spend multiplied it by 100. Now there's a difference between ROAS and ROI. So what is ROI? ROI is revenue divided by ad spend plus the other cost multiplied by 100. So for example, you generated revenue of $200, but you spend $100 on advertisement, plus you spend it $50 on some other variable costs. For example, for a freelancer or making some artworks. So the formula would be revenue, which is $200 divided by 100 plus 50, which is 150 multiplied by 100. Now, ROAS defines how effective was your marketing campaign. On the other hand, ROI is how much profit was made from your campaign. Second one is demographics. Demographics is really important. If you want to calculate whom you should target in your next campaign, this one is really crucial. Well, what is a demographic? Demographics are basically your target audience locations, or its country, or the devices, or the age, the language they speak, and so on. The most used demographic KPIs are these: CPA, ROS, and conversion rate by these demographics. CPA is spend on ads divided by number of conversions. CPA is cost per acquisitions, and the other one is conversion rate. Conversion rate is total conversation divided by total visits. ROS, I have already spoken about ROS in the first KPI. The third KPI is psychography. Psychography is basically the lifestyle of your customer, or the social class and the personality they have. The most important category in psychography are sex orientation, work status, relationship status, the interest and activity. The fourth KPI is the bounce rate and exit rate. There's a difference between bounce rate and exit rate. Let's get into it. So bounce rate, it represents the percentage of visitors who enter the site and then leave rather than continuing to view other pages within the same site. Whereas exit rate is the percentage of people who left your site from that page. You should measure your exit page by cart, blog name, contact form, sign up page, or any other page in your website which you think is really important for your campaign. Mostly you will find both bounce rate and exit page rate in your Google Analytics. Fifth KPI is customer share by category. Customer share by category is the measure the number of customers that come from a specific category, such as religion, industry, or company size. What do you want to measure in customer share by category is the sum of sales done by these categories. So the sum of sales or the sum of customers by their location, number of customers by the language, number of customers by a specific campaign, and number of customers by device. So for campaign, you might want to share it with the other marketing members. With the device, maybe you want to share it with the e-commerce team or the mobile app team. With the location and with the language, maybe you want to share it with your finance team to help them to understand that how many customers they are getting it by this specific location and this specific language. You can even share this with the product team. They would like to know if they want to change the blog or maybe the item which you're selling based on the language and location. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Thank you.